Welcome to my channel. Today I am very happy. You know why? I would like to share my happiness with you. Not a big success or any big happy, but every single happiness we must celebrate. That's why I decided to take this video to sharing my happiness. Okay, I'm just started my YouTube channel since last 2024 January 14th. Only 42 or 43 days. The count's not correct, but only 1 month finished. But I achieved the YouTube partner. I got the membership from YouTube. They accept me as a YouTube partner. I got the message and I complete the monetization and agreement, that kind of rules and regulations, such kind of rules and regulations I filled, and now I got the congratulation message also, and I got the email. Okay, so you may think, oh, how much happiness to need this, but as I'm concerned, this is like a success. That's why I am very happy, because like me, just an average woman could earn only few days, could achieve this. So now I am able to earn money from YouTube. Not now, but in future. From today, my views and my hours will count for getting money. So, I always tells you why you are waiting for opportunities. This is also an opportunities. There is no expense. When you want to create a channel, YouTube channel, there is no expense you need for making this channel. So you have lot of abilities. You are very qualified, and you have so many. You are very capable for doing lot of things. So why you are waiting for? Who will give you the opportunity? Why you are waiting for the person who will give you the opportunities? You are the creator of your opportunity. Okay, you can also make good videos. So many actually in this today's world we follow this also. Actually, YouTube is the good earning method, earning process. You can also make you have lot of I know you want to make, you are always thinking, you also wish to make this kind of video, not this kind of but you have good ideas in your mind, but you always you are ready to thinking, you are always only for you take the decision, but you are lazy to, or you have no confidence to make the action. But in my case, my decision making is always take time, but once I take the decision, there is no time for I'm not waiting or I'm not waste time for take an action, because I don't even know how to edit the video. You can see my videos, there is no any editing. I never did any editing, I never download any editing software. Actually, I don't know, but we will get the knowledge from YouTube, but I didn't do such things. I don't even know how to put a thumbnail in my videos. I just record the video and directly upload it to the YouTube. There is no any any changes I never did in my videos. That's why there is no background music, there is no any other background sound or pictures, no any things happen. I know my sound quality is not good. My the light I know the light is not good. My picture is not clear. Everything is not clear. I know everything. I know not everything is good. But I'm just take this video and upload. And also there is no any supporting panels I have. There is no Instagram. I have no Instagram, no Facebook ID. So only the videos just I am upload you. I don't know how you get this video, but viewers I got so many around I think 1,700 more subscribers I got, and also the watching hours. But everything I got only this this limited quality video, and also my content is not very good. I am just trying to impress you. I am just trying to give the energy to you. I'm a normal woman. I always tell some comment I got, you are doing the same content. I am always saying the same, always say the same content again and again. That's that's happened automatically. So I'm sure I will make good videos, and I try to make good content also. And also I learn how to edit the video, and also lot of things I have to learn. So but I am very happy to achieve this much only for few days. I got this success. Okay, so don't waste your time. You please create a YouTube channel and upload your own videos. You have show your ability to the society, to the world. You are also get support from the world. You got so many viewers. Okay, you are actually you have so many abilities. Okay, so believe in you. You can also get money also. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Okay, have a nice day.